ओम नमः शिवाय।
ओम नमः शिवाय।
ओम नमः शिवाय।
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ध्यानमूलं गुरोर्मूर्तिः पूजामूलं गुरोर्पदं मंत्रमूलं गुरोर्वाक्यं मोक्षमूलं गुरुकृपा।
ಸಂತೋಷ ಪಡು.
Hi. Nice. Actually, I was looking for some drums for.
You can play it like this as well.
Oh, it's like this. Huh? Okay, very nice. How did you get this idea to bring it here today?
Vaishali got the idea.
It was good actually. I was looking for that CD which was missing. At least this I can do.
You can play it like this.
Okay, this is nice. Okay, so yeah. Compared to after last class, what is the insights? What are the inputs?
We can concentrate on meditation.
Hmm.
Well, the people don't concentrate.
You're not able to concentrate.
No, I'm able to concentrate.
Very good.
I can concentrate. I can sit. It is in a picnic.
Okay,
I can sit.
good.
So, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಹಿಡಿತಕ್ಕೆ ಇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
Mind is getting okay. Good.
I'm feeling relaxed.
Relaxed. Mind is business is okay.
Yes.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ ಮುಂಚೆ ತುಂಬಾ ತಿನ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇವೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ನಾವು ಹೋಗಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅನ್ನೋ ಥರ ತುಂಬಾ we used to
Think lot.
lot.
Hmm.
Keep on thinking. That is it.
That's gone. Okay. So your Gayatri only this recording today. The other one is not there. Oh, introduce. Okay. ಹೇಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಸೆಮಿಕೋ ಅಂತಾನೆ ನಿಮ್ಮದು? ಸೆಮಿಕೋ ಅಂತಾನೆ? Okay.
So we have started Bhagavad Gita classes at our home.
Very good.
And children are coming, but in that process I am also going through Bhagavad Gita and
Very good.
learning about the self.
Okay.
I also read some Upasaram and Who Am I by Raman Maharshi.
Okay. Good, good. So you understood who is Ramana Maharshi?
That is important.
Okay.
Mine is peaceful.
Peaceful.
When I'm not well, again it's the same thing.
Who is not well?
When I'm not well,
Who is I am not well?
when this body
Where is
is
that
not
sticker?
well,
Okay. Okay. This requires one more ಕೈ ಅದು ಕೈ ಕೊಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಲೆನೂ ಕೊಡಿ
ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ
So that time
Yeah.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಏನು ಅವ್ರಿದಲ್ಲ ಬೈದು ಬಿಡಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ
ಅವ್ರು ಇರಲ್ವಲ್ಲ.
ಬಂದು ಸಂಜೆ ಬಂದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಲ್ಸೇಲ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ
ಸಿಕ್ಕೋದೇ ನಾನೊಬ್ಬ.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವೇ ಸಿಕ್ಕೋದು.
ಓಕೆ
Vivek Chudamani started one more time.
ಓಕೆ
So now more insights.
Very good.
We did 1 year back and now
ಓಕೆ ಗುಡ್
I understand much better.
Okay. When you complete Viveka Chudamani, then you go to Upadesha Sastri. Next.
Okay.
Okay? Only one more round if you complete Viveka Chudamani, then take up Upadesha Sastri. Next level. Okay.
ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟ್ರನ್ ರಿಪೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಗೇನ್.
ಎಂತ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ರೀ?
2 ತಿಂಗಳು ಇದಾಗಿದ್ದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ಆಂಗ್ಸೈಟಿ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಯಾತಕ್ಕೆ ಆಂಗ್ಸೈಟಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ಸ್.
ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ?
ಆದರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಅದು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಪ್ಪ ನೀವು ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ? ಏನು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಅದು ಏನು ಹೀಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು?
ಎಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಸಣ್ಣ ಕೆಲಸನೇ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈಗ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಇವತ್ತಿವರೆಗೆ ಸರಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ, ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅದು ಮತ್ತೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನಾಳೆ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಯಾರು ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕುತ್ತಿಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅದೊಂದು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲ IT ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಬ್ ನಾಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಹೋಗುತ್ತದೆ ಯೋಚನೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೇನು ಯೋಚನೆ ಇದೆ? ಯಾರು ಕೆಲಸ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಬಂದರೆ ಎಸ್ಕಲೇಷನ್ ಬಂತು, ನಾಳೆ ಯಾರು ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೊಡಿಗೆ ಬಂದರು? ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ದಿನ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್? ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಟು ದ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್. ದಿನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರಿಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
Mine
Okay.
is peaceful.
So happy.
Very happy.
Her brother-in-law is getting married. Not because of this class. And there is
ಹೇಗೋ
new.
ಒಂದು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ನೋ ಶೀಸ್
Huh?
ಹೇಗೋ ಶೀಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ
I'm trying to find out what is the reason. Brother-in-law is getting married, and mother-in-law and father-in-law have some new target now. All the reason, all beaming, and Modi is becoming Prime Minister. What else? Huh? What? Arvind Kejriwal is messing up with Modi. Huh?
But Modi will become
Huh?
prime minister.
So do something for Arvind Kejriwal, no?
She can join our party.
Our party. Okay, join our party. Don't tell that I don't like Modi. Okay, join our party and mess up their happiness. Anybody with 10 rupee note, you can become a member of our party. And you wanted a job also, right? Go and screw up happiness of all the people. That's the job. All jobless guys are joining there and go and have. Don't allow anybody to sit quietly. Go and create noise. Then you'll know how to handle your brother-in-law, mother-in-law, father-in-law very easily.
I'll become peaceful then.
Spoil the peace of others. Okay.
Things are calm. Lot of thinking what I do.
Okay.
And very much relaxed.
Very good.
ಟೂ ಮಚ್ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಗುರುಜಿ ಟೂ ಮಚ್
ಇನ್ನೇನ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ
ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾಟ್ ಕಿವಿನೇ ಹಾಕೊಳಲ್ಲ ಗುರುಜಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್
ಏಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು
63
ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಸಲ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್
ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಏಸ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅದು ಏಜ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ
ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಹಸ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಟ್ಯೂನ್ಡ್
ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಆ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ
ನಾನೇ ಮಾತಾಡಲ್ಲ ಗುರುಜಿ ಈಗ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಸೋ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತದ್ ಏನೋ ಒಂದೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪುಣ್ಯಾತ್ಮ ಕಿವಿ ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡು
Okay. Okay. What Gayatri? What's the news from your side? Nothing. Okay. All people have gone to Ramana Maharshi Ashram for 3 days.
Yeah.
Okay. So how was it?
Gone to Ramana Ashram.
Ramana Ashram.
Very nice.
Very nice. What is nice?
Like it's good.
What is good?
I was able to meditate there, so it was good.
You are not able to meditate anywhere else. Okay, what is that?
I'm not able to meditate at my home.
Why? I thought you are very good in meditation.
No.
Anytime I hear you will meditate on BAL, MIL, FIL, BAL, MIL, FIL, BAL, MIL, FIL.
Now I want to meditate for myself.
Okay, so MIL, BAL, FIL, MIL, BAL. Anytime I was actually appreciating how good you are meditator.
Now it's gone.
So she has meditation attacks.
Attacks.
It was such a nice person. We keep on laughing every day. I feel tension and all that. He's there.
No tension at all.
No, but I also do not have to worry. He's there.
She does not keep
He
the
is there,
tension to
that's why
herself.
So, good. Actually, you have started class for Bhagavad Gita children,
Yeah,
right?
we started.
Good, very good. Then your question of should I have a baby or not will not come to me, because after 1 year you decide enough of having. These actually Smita and Murli started class before this. After immediate marriage, when will you have a baby? When will you have a baby? Enlightened baby. After 1 year of teaching the children, you don't want a baby. So you know that question also will not come to me now. MIL, BAL, FIL is gone. Baby question is gone. Then what question you have anymore? Election, the job question, right? Job I say best is recommendation. Go and join AAP party. Okay? The
But
best
then
way
I
to
not get money, right?
you want peace, right? You are restless. Job. Okay? So destroy the peace of everybody on the earth, then you will become very peaceful. So any other problems you have? Okay. You only have to invest 2 rupees, 1 cap. And another 10 caps you put on everybody's head. And that way you are doing some service to Modi also, okay? Okay, sir. Okay, let us do a meditation. Okay. So let us start breathing practice. See, the meditation you have to do every day. Okay. The mind, actually the problem in the mind is mind cannot stay in the present moment. Mind always wants to be in the future or in the past. Future or past. So you did something, then you'll say, what will happen if I do? What happens? What is the result of that? Okay, what can I? This is not okay. That's not okay. It doesn't accept the present moment. To accept the present moment is called Sharanagati. To live in the present moment is life of surrender. To practice that is called meditation. If you don't do meditation, your mind will start stinking, just like you don't brush your teeth. So bring your mind to the present moment every day, half an hour. That's meditation. And many techniques I have told you, one of the techniques, right? Do practice any of them. So the Guru, when I'll get enlightened? The enlightenment is in future. So you have to come to the present moment. Experience the peace in the present moment, that's called enlightenment. Right? And some people have found various methods, okay? Some people have found MIL, FIL, BIL, how to get rid of them. Then some people have found how to sell pav bhaji and to pay in the present moment. How not to get married and be in the present moment. How not to have babies and be in the present moment. All those things they have understood. And lose the job and relax at home. Somebody else is to be in the present moment, what all people do. I have told you don't have to do all those things. Do some simple meditation, 20 minutes.
Everybody is trying very hard.
Very hard. Is that difficult? Okay. Let us start with the whole idea of Kapalabhati is to bring the mind to the present moment. You will supply the energy to the brain, nervous system, so that your mind comes to present moment. You say, I am thinking, that's because when you think, you understand, your brain requires a lot of energy. Okay? You have a mobile phone, right? What mobile phone you have? Micromax. So, our nervous system is the central processing unit. It consumes about 60% of the energy which you take. And the more you think, the more energy is required. Okay? And the battery becomes down. And battery becomes down, more noise will be created. When the brain is noisy, it will stay in the future or the past. When the brain is fully energetic, like what happens to the children, you'll be completely in the present moment. So you know how to bring the brain to present moment, all your problems in life are solved. Tomorrow, whatever happens, let it happen now. Why worry about it? Live your life for today. That's called surrender. Do you know you'll be alive tomorrow morning? At least you should know I am alive. Is there a guarantee that I will be alive? Why worry about tomorrow? Use your day today properly. Meditate, do your work properly today. Right? Anyway, the guys in the software industry know. Tomorrow the job will be there or not uncertain. Today only is the available time.
Then why do the work?
Actually, that question is a very valid question. You should encourage and motivate her to do work. Then you don't want to work. You should actually, the moment she says work, you should give enough motivation for her to go and do work. In fact, you are actually discouraging her. Actually, it's a very, very wrong HR strategy. Guy was jumping to go to work. Prasad should every day should encourage her. Go. I will take care of children. Anyway, now I am taking care of children. Now you go. Formalize that.
He is demotivating me to do
That's what I'm saying. It's wrong strategy, I said. It's all wrong principles of life. You should encourage her. If you go to work, you look beautiful. Okay? Okay. Half a kg will come down. All those things incentives you to go and push her to work. Then you take retirement. Don't worry. Like Prasad, what is trying to do.
Not going to do.
Not going to do. It's already done. Say, out of strategies you learn here, okay? Gayatri was roaring to go to work.
No?
Okay, fine. Let us start. See how mind come to the present moment. You watch it. Okay. Sit like this or like this. Okay. Okay. 300 rounds. Close your eyes here. What you are doing with the open eyes? $100. Next straight. $200. Stop. Sit your head slightly bent backwards. Not that much. Slightly. Become aware of energy flow in your head. In the forehead. In the top of the head. See how the mind has become deeply silent. Mind has become very silent. No thoughts. A mind without thoughts is free from tensions and worry. असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ओम शांति 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 Slowly open your eyes. So, what happened?
Only 2 minutes it was
Then what happens?
Deep peace. Then again the thoughts.
Well, let's say, give me an example of what thought chain comes. Just give me, if you can share it, right? Like what thought comes?
Yeah. Afternoon I had to go for a training program. So that thought started.
Okay, let's say afternoon you have to go for a training program. So
what
what?
I will do there.
Okay.
So next thought. Like that, one after the other, like connecting that. Like
Right.
I will do that. Then what I will do. Then what. It's
So
a
okay. So that is
planning for the future.
it started coming. So now, while meditating, okay, you should meditate.
We should meditate.
And when you are doing the job, don't meditate. Don't do two things at a time. Do one thing at a time. So if thought process comes, then what you should say to the thought process?
Stop. I should say.
No,
Let it.
I will do everything on the earth. Okay. At 2 o'clock I have to do. At 1:30 I will plan. Now you let me allow me to meditate. That's all I have to say.
Otherwise, we can observe the thought also. No?
If she is observing the thought, fine.
Okay.
She is getting involved in the thought. Just tell, Baba, there is a time for you also. Right? Wait. Let me think. Do it. Okay. So now there's the other way. Other way is, you have a notebook? Okay. Take a notebook. So that what comes to your during meditation is a predominant thought. Now let us say you have to do tomorrow, go to that this thing today. Okay. Afternoon you have to go for training. What you do in the training is not important. What is that you have to do now for the training? You please write 3 things. You have to select nice dress. Write down. What all things? What I can do now? You tell me. You have to ask the question. There are a lot of things can happen, training program and all. But what I have to do now? Okay, you have to ask the question. I'll ask the question to you. You have to go to the training in the afternoon. What you have to do now? Please write 4 things.
That means at present.
No, now. Which is actually at the time of meditation, instead of doing meditation, I have to do. What are the 4 things? Please tell me. Pooja kahan gayi?
So she's at home.
Studying.
She's at eternal street.
She messaged me.
She messaged me.
She didn't message me.
No, she didn't say me.
She told me that she's not coming.
Okay.
She told me she would message you.
No, she didn't. Maybe I have not seen my mobile.
Somebody suggest.
Huh?
ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ
Huh?
ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನ ಮೆಸೇಜ್
Message ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ.
Only 2 things.
No. Tell me what are the 2 things?
Call the cab driver and confirm like I was going to come up here.
Then?
Like keep the things ready.
What are the things you have to keep ready? Now.
Like
What are the things you have to keep ready?
pen drive and laptop, whatever is needed.
Okay. Now go and call the cab driver and come for meditation. Yeah, really. See, the point what is happening is, we are the time for meditation, we are thinking of the things which we can't do anything now. If you have to do something now, do first. Then come. So now you go and call the cab and come for meditation. Let's see what thoughts will come. I'll find out. And dress and all is not issue.
No, sir, it's ready.
what color, what matching color, all those things are taken care, right?
Today is Women's Day, Guruji. What's special for Women's Day?
Huh?
Today is International Women's Day.
Where are there women here? Huh? You are a woman?
Girl means woman means girl also.
You are a girl? Come. Are you a girl?
What to say? I am to sell.
Turn. So are you a girl?
No.
Are you a woman?
No.
Huh? Then what Women's Day you are speaking of?
The World Women's Day.
Huh?
The World Women's Day.
So what you have to do for that?
Sleep.
Rest.
When did you become a woman? Huh? You know what is woman? W-O man. When you become double side of you, you become a woman.
Already on the way.
Other than that, there is no woman here. No man here also. If somebody, a man or woman, is there is no admission to this class actually. The first class itself I have told. Henry?
Correct.
Correct? Those who think they are women, let them celebrate. Why are you bothered about it? ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಬ್ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬನ್ನಿಯಪ್ಪ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ.
The cab driver, I want to meditate. He will say, why are you calling me? Just meditate. The cab driver will say, I was meditating.
He doesn't turn up at 2 o'clock.
Okay.
That's like split personality, sir. Inside the class, I am not woman, man, anything. The moment you go home, again you have to do.
How
all
do you
the
become woman then? I don't know.
Sir, who will get up and cook for the kids and
Who will get up?
come here? We have to get up at 4:35 and start doing everything in the kitchen. So
We have to
if
get up his wall. He also gets up. Huh?
I mean, I am speaking on behalf of women here.
Okay.
After going home, I will remember my in-laws are there, my sister-in-laws are coming. That is all woman's responsibility.
It's a woman's responsibility. Are you a woman? I have a responsibility of a manager. Okay? But am I a manager?
It's the post you have been given.
Huh?
It's the post you have
Playing
been
the role of
That's you are playing the role. But when did you become woman because of that? Huh? Just because of your body. Huh? That is for other people to say you are a woman. Why are you becoming woman for that? You become self. You are self. As long as you are self, you are safe. The moment you become a woman, you are threatened. Or other people are threatened. Why you want to become somebody and mess up with somebody else's happiness or your happiness here? Become nobody. The moment I become a guru, I have a lot of stress actually.
Guruji, my brother-in-law is doing this and doing that. And Guruji, my brother-in-law is doing that.
And everybody's problem is there with me. Okay? And it's so funny. Nobody has a problem with themselves. Everybody has a problem with somebody else. I never heard of one day she comes and say, Guruji, I have a problem. No. There is a problem with this guy, there is a problem with that guy, there is a problem with this thing, there is a problem in Gujarat. I don't know what all problems are there.
They totally forget they are themselves a problem to everybody.
Aitendre, now we meditate for 10 minutes. Now let's see what thought comes. Anything else is pending? Huh? Okay, anybody else has a lot of thoughts in the meditation? What about Gayatri? Any thoughts in meditation? When I am going to get enlightened? The moment you are able to sit for meditation peacefully, you are enlightened. Huh? Huh? ಯಾವಾಗ ಎನ್ಲೈಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ
ನೆನೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆನೆಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಬಂದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಪ್ಪ? ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರ, ನೆನೆಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿದ್ರಂತ, ಬಟ್ ನೆನೆಸಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನು ಮಾಡೋದು?
ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಗುರುಜಿ 9 ತಿಂಗಳು ಇಷ್ಟೇನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋಯ್ತು.
ಇಷ್ಟೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಂತದು ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ?
ಇಷ್ಟೇನಾ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫೌಂಡ್ ಸಿ ವೆನ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಯಂಗರ್ ಏಜ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಆಸ್ ಯು ಗ್ರೋ ಓಲ್ಡರ್
ಗೊತ್ತು 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 ಗೊತ್ತು. ಒದೆ ತಿಂದು ಒದೆ ತಿಂದು ಒದೆ ತಿಂದು ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಒದೆ ತಿಂದು
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಬಂದ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಆಯ್ತು, ಹೋಗು. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಅದು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಈಗಾದ್ರೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ.
Okay, anybody has any pending issues? Huh? No Women's Day, no International Women's Day, no mother-in-law, brother-in-law. Okay? If you have to do something for International Women's Day, do it now. Okay? Sit for meditation, not doing meditation, all those things.
Yeah.
Right? I have a requirement for you as a woman, as International Women's Day. Dance. Okay? Any pending issues? First do it, then come for meditation, okay? Okay, let us do another meditation. It's Omkara, no, not Omkara, yeah. Omkara, after Omkara, take your awareness, switch off the fan. After Omkara, take your awareness to this center, okay? Feel the energy here, okay? This is actually what I call as Atma Jyoti Dhyana. Be yourself. Experience the energy.
Yeah.
Okay, you can experience the world as body, physical. You can experience the world as energy. When you experience the energy, world as energy, you will experience the world, everything is energy only, right? So then all distinctions between me and you, at the separation collapses, separation falls off. So sit with that awareness, right? Let us chant Omkara together 18 times.